Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to learn how to describe a wedding party. My sister's wedding was a magical day from start to finish, filled with joy, love, and beautiful memories. It was held on a bright, sunny day at an elegant venue surrounded by lush gardens, setting a perfect backdrop. The air was filled with excitement as family and friends gathered, all dressed in their best attire. The wedding theme was classic and romantic, with soft hues of blush, ivory, and gold adorning every corner. Flowers were everywhere, from the altar to the tables, creating a dreamy, fragrant setting. The bridal party included a mix of family and close friends, each playing a special role. My sister looked breathtaking in her wedding gown, a delicate lace dress with a long train that trailed gracefully as she walked. Her veil was a family heirloom, adding a sentimental touch to her look. She was accompanied by her bridesmaids, all dressed in soft blush dresses that complemented the flowers in their bouquets. The ceremony was held in a beautiful outdoor area, with an archway covered in fresh flowers framing the couple as they exchanged vows. There was a gentle breeze, adding a serene feel to the setting. My sister and her husband-to-be looked at each other with so much love, their words bringing tears to everyone's eyes. Each promise was heartfelt, touching, and unique, reflecting their personalities and the bond they shared. After the ceremony, the guests moved to the reception area, a spacious hall elegantly decorated with chandeliers and candles. The tables were set with gold-rimmed plates, crystal glasses, and floral centerpieces that matched the bouquets. Soft music played as everyone took their seats, setting a warm, welcoming atmosphere. My sister and her new husband entered the reception to a chorus of cheers and applause, looking blissfully happy. The first dance was one of the most memorable moments. The couple swayed to a soft, romantic tune, lost in each other's eyes. They looked like they were in their own world, a beautiful sight that captured the essence of the day. Afterward, family members took turns giving heartfelt speeches. Our father's speech was particularly touching, as he shared memories of my sister growing up and expressed his happiness in seeing her marry the love of her life. Dinner was served shortly after, a delicious spread of the couple's favorite dishes. The guests enjoyed every bite, while laughter and conversation filled the room. As the evening went on, the dance floor came to life. From young children to grandparents, everyone joined in the fun, dancing to both classic tunes and modern hits. It was a night filled with laughter, joy, and connection. One of the highlights was the cake cutting. My sister and her husband cut into a beautiful, multi-layered cake adorned with fresh flowers. They playfully fed each other a slice, laughing as they shared the first bite. Soon after, it was time for the bouquet toss, a moment eagerly awaited by the single ladies. My sister tossed her bouquet into the crowd, and it was caught by her best friend, sparking cheers and laughter. As the night drew to a close, guests lined up outside to give the couple a warm send-off. They walked through a path of sparklers, their faces glowing with happiness and gratitude. My sister looked back with a smile, waving to everyone before stepping into the decorated car waiting to whisk them away. It was a perfect ending to a perfect day, a celebration that left everyone with lasting memories. Subscribe the channel for more.